Everyone, thanks for tuning in to see this video. Just want to verify the summer 2014 forecast. As a forecaster, I think it's important that when we issue forecasts, particularly long-range forecasts, we go back and verify what happened, and maybe explore some of the reasons if the forecast went wrong for why that happened as well. So we're going to have a look at how summer 2014 turned out and compare it to the forecast from GavsWeatherViz.com. Before I get on with that though, just to say about the ads, this video adds to my page, use GavsWeatherViz.com. You play on the video ad, you'll be able to support GavsWeatherViz.com. Thanks so much for doing that. So here is the temperature anomaly for the summer of 2014 compared against a 61 to 90 average. And we can see that most parts of the country have come out warmer than average. Now, the GavsWeatherViz.com forecast was for temperature anomalies this summer to be anything from half a degree to 1.5 degrees above average. On this chart, against 61 to 90, we can see that most parts of the country have been around a degree to, say, 1.5 degrees above average. So I think a pretty good forecast from GavsWeatherViz.com for the temperature this summer. The precipitation forecast was for a wetter than average summer across many parts of the country, a more unsettled summer than would normally be expected in a warmer than average summer. I did suggest that the worst of the rainfall could be in the south, with parts of the north getting the driest conditions. This is the 61 to 90 average in terms of the rainfall set against summer of 2014. Most parts of the country coming out average to a little bit above average actually for the rainfall this summer. Western parts of the country come out a little bit drier than average. There's a lot of variation there, and I think much of that is probably down to thunderstorms and localised downpours. But wettest anomaly is actually interesting for north eastern Scotland. So the part of the forecast that suggested that the north could be drier than the south was wrong, to be honest. But many parts of the country, I think you can see from that, have had quite an unsettled summer, particularly in August, of course, which was a very unsettled month, particularly the first half of the month. Now, those anomalies are set against 61 to 90, but if we look at the more modern anomaly, 81 to 2010, perhaps a little bit more representative of where we are in terms of the climate now, we can see that the temperature anomaly isn't anywhere near as dramatic, and actually it's coming out pretty much near normal for much of England and Wales, still a little bit above average for Scotland. But if you set it against 81 to 2010, then you're looking at an average summer. If you're setting against 61 to 90, though, you are looking at a significantly warmer than average summer. So it's interesting how the anomalies change as we go along. Of course, getting through to 81 to 2010, we're taking into account the warming that has occurred over the last 30 years. Having looked at the rainfall anomaly, it makes very little difference actually. The 81 to 2010 anomaly. Still, North East Scotland gets the wettest of the rainfall this summer. Most places coming out average to a little bit above average. The west is driest. Funnily enough, and it doesn't happen all that often, but the west is actually drier than much of the east through this summer. So I'll leave you to judge whether the forecast was accurate or not. I think it was a pretty good forecast, really, particularly set against 61 to 90. Not so good against the more modern, the newer average of 81 to 2010. But overall, not a bad forecast. I'm quite happy with this one. And now we're moving on to autumn, of course, and we'll verify that once we get through to the start of December. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.